V8 Supercars is one of the biggest and most competitive racing series in the world. But while the Holdens and Fords that race in it look just like the cars you can buy in the showroom, they're actually purpose-built racing thoroughbreds. To find out just how different they are, I headed to Winton Raceway to take former Bathurst winner Jason Bright's car for a spin. Hopefully not literally. Just getting into the Brad Jones racing-built machine is a challenge. The roll cage and tight-fitting racing seat are great for safety, but not for a graceful entry and exit. The inside of the car looks nothing like a regular Holden, with all of the creature comforts stripped out. After some instructions from Bright, it's time to fire up the 5-litre V8 and head onto the track. More than 470 kilowatts, or 630 horsepower in the old money, the Commodore makes short work of Winton straights. Thankfully, there are also huge racing brakes to pull the car up for the corners. One of the biggest differences is the gearbox. Instead of a traditional H pattern, the V8 Supercar uses a sequential shifter. You simply pull back to go up the gears and push forward to go down. With a $500,000 price tag, I'm just relieved to bring Brighty's car back to the pits in one piece. But even after just half a dozen laps, the differences between a normal Commodore and this racing version are plain to see. It's faster, stops quicker, turns better, and is strong enough to race flat out around Bathurst for 1,000 kilometres. No wonder V8 Supercars has become Australia's biggest motor racing circus.